Yes, Nana agreed that they don't grant am bail, and at the same time they rearrest am. Hey, and it is funny, Abi. Me sef, I just shock. Because now remember the last time I could talk about this woman. Yes, say they shot in TV channels and they arrest her because he no get license and he go dey do TV things. Now so I come out when they talk about the matter where people have been say this as they release her now, abi they give her a bail, abi wait. The matter go dey solve small like people we no know say the thing even dey enter another higher dimension of the whole serere. When they tell me say they don't grant am bail, I say okay, well, at least it's a step. Now so they say Madam Aproko, no be just that one. No. As they grant am bail, they no even allow this woman open door after this thing. Na so they come carry her. A matter when they reach me, they say she no plead guilty to all the allegations when they give her. So the bail na 5,000 Ghana cedis. And now police don't arrest her again. No, according to news, they say she verbally assaulted Reverend Obofo. Abi Obofo. I don't bring her come on her side so that I go see am with una own eye and listen to what she got to say. So I beg join me, make me watch the video.
Okay. If you I won't call. If fine, court was on but another case. They say about for a case. They say my didn't have some. No, so here come. And was.
Hey, now wow. As soon as I see this woman like this, they don't even give her date. As me and you they talk now. They expect her to appear before Accra Circuit Court. They say na May 12 this very year. Meaning say na it dey very close. She supposed go there. Now there is another case now on the start. Come see trouble. Hey, this woman arrest be like Donzi and Gabbana. Donzi. No, una we know, una know. If you know, you know. Donzi and Gabbana. I mean, my question now be say, Reverend Obofo, is it that he's afraid or I not just understand? No, I know why they ask. Because on a normal level, if this woman come outside, because two of them, they be like cat and dog, they know they agree. If this woman come outside, can't talk, Reverend Obofo to go do video reply her. You understand? So I know now why they ask whether in they fear this time around or wait. You know, say when person do enter prison. That the whole spirit, everything they change. So maybe the man feel saying now one gangster don't come outside, he they fear for his life also. I don't know. I bet a question that they ask before that go swallow me. Because I they try think different things will go warrant this area. Not be the first time when this woman they talk about this man. Not be the first time when two of them they get issues. So why now? I be use the opportunity where this woman already wahala inside wahala. Come bring this one out. I don't just know. Because if in case you dey watch me now, you get any idea of why Reverend bring this matter presently? Why now? I beg, make una just let me know because me self I dey find answer. Chai! Hey. Now Gala too they make me confused every time. This woman I don't just understand now. She dey make me confused. When I watch video, when I just watch now, see how she dey humble. Oh, like this woman. No, this woman, a fire for fire. See how she can't be humble for the video. Hey! I don't know say this woman feel mellow. Like this, the way she mellow. Almost like people where this woman don't meet for prison. It be like say they don't, you understand? They don't pour cold water in her, don't calm down. She even they mention God for the video. Hey! Una don't hear her. She even they mention God for the video. A whole priestess. I beg, madam, I think say you be God on your own. Which you come be the one way you come outside now, you they mention God. If I be God, I for don't give you as you they call my name. What happen to your Sikagari God? I be you don't need them again. You know, I not hey my people. I be make person let me know what they sup for you because I don't they confused. He just be like me Babalawo come outside. They tell us say Jesus is Lord. Error. No be juju be that. Yo, my people, right now, They have given her the whole details of the new arrest where they come out. So I beg, I say make her bring this one so that una we know they are aware of wetin dey happen. Una go know say yes, Nana Agradaa have been granted bail and at the same time re-arrested. But wetin go happen after this one? Now why una need subscribe, because now for here una go still get am. You understand? Yes, whether they forgive am, abi whether she and Reverend settle, whether na another bail where they go bail am, or any other thing wey go happen, na for here una go still get am. Now why? Just click on that thing so that you no go miss anything. And why not? I wan know wetin una still think concerning this matter. No forget, this discussion na for me and you. So let the comments start rolling, and as usual I go reply on one by one. Don't forget, stay tuned for our next story.